everyone, welcome back to Target Surge 24. If you're tired of leaky bottles, warm water, or bulky flasks, then this might just be your perfect hydration partner. Today we're reviewing the wildly popular Owala FreeSip Insulated Stainless Steel Water Bottle, 24 Oz, in the elegant foggy tide color. Let's find out if it truly lives up to the hype. Segment 1. First Impressions and Design. Right out of the box, the Owala FreeSip stands out. The foggy tide color is modern, subtle, and stylish. It's a matte finish giving you a good grip and no annoying fingerprints. Now, here's the cool part. The FreeSip lid. It gives you two ways to drink. Sip through the built-in straw or tilt and chug, just like a regular bottle, all from the same opening. Genius, right? Segment 2. Core features. Here's what makes this bottle different. Triple-layered insulation. Keeps your drinks cold for up to 24 hours. 24-ounce capacity. Perfect for daily hydration without being bulky. Leak-proof lid. Toss it in your backpack with zero worries. Carry loop, stylish and practical. Dishwasher-safe lid. And yes, it's BPA-free. So whether you're heading to the gym, office, or class, this bottle's ready. Segment 3. Real-life usage. I've personally used it during my commute, at the gym, and even during a weekend hike. It fits perfectly in car cup holders. And trust me, even after 10 hours under the sun, the water still feels ice cold. If you're a parent, this is great for school bags. If you travel, it's compact and light. If you're an athlete, the one-hand open-close design is a blessing during workouts. Segment 4. Pros and cons. Pros, stylish design. Super cold insulation. No spills, no leaks. Great for both kids and adults. Cons. Not meant for hot beverages. Lid needs to be lined up correctly to avoid spills during chugging. But overall, it nails what it promises. So, is the Owala FreeSip worth it? Absolutely. It's not just a bottle. It's a hydration upgrade. Affordable, reliable, and stylish. No wonder it's all over Amazon's bestseller list. If you want to grab yours, check the link in the description. And hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews like this. Stay hydrated, stay healthy. See you in the next one.